I'm here to talk about a star ingredient, a star product that I've been using recently. I recently got my hands on that product, and it is a product that's a revolutionary skincare product, and I am loving the results on my skin. It's just so hydrating, glowing. I'm talking about the newly launched product that is the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. I'm going to show you the bottle. So this is the bottle. Uh, I hope you can see it. It's such a magic serum that I've got my hands on, and I'm loving the texture, the smoothness, the radiance of the product. The star ingredient of this product is hyaluronic acid. Many of you must not be knowing what an hyaluronic acid is. And so I'll be telling you in the video what a hyaluronic acid can do to your skin, and it has 1.5% of it, which is just so great. The best part of the product is that it was the #1 product in US, and it has recently launched in India, and we have recently got our hands on. Many of the influencers in the international market has already used it and shared their review, and I was so lucky to have my hands on finally on this product. And because I've been using it since 1 week and I can see the difference on my skin, it's just so beautiful. It's just so magical on my skin. Hyaluronic acid is a game changer for one's skincare. Hyaluronic acid has the capacity to hold 1000 times its own weight in moisture. I'll show you the texture. This hyaluronic acid serum, it's just so magical. So as you can see, I'll show you on my hand first and then on my skin. I'm just taking a drop of it, and the consistency is really treated and moisturized, which keeps your skin so healthy and natural for so long. Concentration of hyaluronic acid is the right amount, and it's not diluted. It just intensely hydrates your skin, radiates your skin, makes your skin very glowy. It has no alcohol and no parabens. This product is essential in making the moisture in your skin. Basically, we go through dry skin and dead skin, and we generally need the skin is hydrated and moisturized at all the time, and hyaluronic acid does that. Isn't that great? To the lightweight and the non-sticky formula, it just not leaves your skin greasy. It's just so smooth, and it's going to absorb in your skin. It will not leave any kind of the stickiness or the greasiness, which is again one of the best part of this product. Serum basically was developed by one of the dermatologists who understand the importance of hyaluronic acid in one's skin. It is so important to use a hyaluronic acid on your skin on a daily basis, because one of the aging factors, one of the wrinkle factors that we start seeing at an early stage nowadays, it's very important that you include a hyaluronic acid in your skin. Just keep your skin healthy, tight, plump looking, and lovely and glowing and hydrating. As I told you that this product is Dermat's favorite, and everybody in US and the international influencers have been loving it. This is the star ingredient of the product. That's why I'm putting a lot of emphasis on hyaluronic acid, because hyaluronic acid is a game changer for one's skin, and it just replenishes your skin. It just gives you hydration, it just gives you plumpness. And I'll show you how I can use this on my skin, and you're gonna see the difference when I use it. I have used a moisturizer on my face and used a little lip tint, and now I'm going to just add this serum and massage it on my skin nicely. If you can see, I have a little pigmentation on my skin, so this product is working wonders for me right now. Just massage this product in your skin and wait for the natural glow. You can just apply it everywhere, and the best thing is that you can just take it in your hands like this, and just press it into your skin nicely. Press it for a nice glow. You see, my skin looks so moisturized, it looks so plump, it looks so hydrated, and that's the thing that I'm trying to explain you guys, that it's so moisturizing, it's so glowy, it's so natural on your skin. And the best part is that it just lightens up your skin. It just enhances your skin texture, and the skin radiance with this product will increase by 42%, and which is, I think, which is great, because I also have uneven skin. If you see, I have pigmentation over here, and I was looking for a product to increase the radiance of the skin where I have pigmentation, and I think this product is doing wonders for me. And as you can see, my skin, in 1 week I have seen such a big difference on my skin. It just looks so plump and so hydrating, and that's the best part of the product. This product is absolutely non-greasy and non-sticky, and you can use it even in the day and in the night. Before you use your moisturizer, you use this product and just leave it so that your skin is plump, and then you can use your moisturizer. I sometimes do not feel the need to use a moisturizer because it's just so absorbent, and it just absorbs in my skin so nicely. And I just use this product, and I use a little lip tint, and it's just good to go, and it feels so natural. On a daily basis, I just get tired of putting makeup when I have to shoot and everything. But with this product, I feel so happy that I can apply it, and it looks so natural. It has the right 1.5% of concentration of hyaluronic acid, and L'Oreal Paris has just come out with this magical product in India, and I think everybody should get their hands on it, as it's just a beautiful and a magical product. As you can see that the packaging is very sleek. It just comes in with a dropper, and it is available in two sizes. One is 15 ml and one is 30 ml. 15 ml is for 500 rupees and 30 ml is for 1000 rupees, and I'll be leaving the link below in the description box so that you can go and buy this product. Doesn't want a youthful looking skin, and that serums are the most talked about products in India, and so many people are emphasizing on using serums on a regular basis. And a serum like this, I think, is a must have. I have tried it, and I think I'm just going to keep on using it. It's just so non-sticky, and it's just so soft, and my skin feels so supple. My skin feels so soft right now, which is so lovely, because we all need a product for skincare. You can see my skin, because if you see my spots, I have not put any makeup on my face, and it still feels so nice and soft. And it's just so non-sticky. It's supple, it's soft, it's youthful, it's glowy, it's radiant. I think so many words can be used for this product, and I always share my feedback on those products which I have personally loved, and this one is one that I have personally loved, and you can see the difference on my skin. It's just so beautiful. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this product. In case if you want to buy this product, you can check the description box below, and directly you can get your hands on this product, which is just launched in India, guys. It's such a nice product that I completely love and would highly recommend to get your hands on. It is the #1 product in US, and people internationally love this serum. As you see that they have such a nice glow on their face always, and now because L'Oreal Paris has launched this product in India, I think we should definitely get our hands on it. Amongst all L'Oreal Paris serums, it's the only one serum that has this much formula of hyaluronic acid, that is 1.5%. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video, and in case if you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below whatever you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.